Assalamu alaikum friends, you are watching Star Technology 5G. In today's video we will study the character LCD. Let's start the video. Character LCD. An LCD is an electronic display module that uses liquid crystal to produce a visible image. This component is specially manufactured to be used with microcontroller, which means it cannot be activated by a standard IC circuit. It can display all the letters of alphabets, Greek letter, punctuation marks, mathematical symbol. It is possible to display symbol made by the user. You can see here is the character LCD, that is 16:2 character LCD we will use in our project. LCD is widely used in electronics component, especially in microcontroller project. Character LCD 16:2. The 16:2 LCD display is a very basic module commonly used in microcontroller projects. The 16:2 LCD screen can display 2 lines with 16 characters each line. Every character consists 5:10 or 5:7 dot matrix. Figure below shows standard 16:2 LCD. You can see here is the 16:2 LCD. It means there is a 16 character in one line and 16 character is 2 line, means 16:2. Feature of 16:2 LCD module: operating voltage is 4.7 to 5.3 volt. Current consumption is 1 mA without backlight. Alphanumeric LCD display module means can display alphabets and numbers. Consists of 2 rows and each row can print 16 characters. Can work on both 8 lines and 4 lines modes. It can also be display any custom generated character available in green, blue backlight. 16:2 LCD pin configuration. You can see here is the LCD. There is a 16 pin. Number 1 pin is ground. Number 2 pin is power supply, positive 5 volt. Number 3 pin is contrast pin. Pin number 4 is RS. It can select the command or data. Pin number 5 is RW pin. You can read data from the LCD or you can write data to the LCD. Pin number 6 is enable pin. Pin number 7 to 14 are data pin. You can send data in 8-bit mode. In 8-bit mode we use all 0 to 7 bits, and in 4-bit mode we can only use pin 7 to 4. And if there is a backlight built in, then pin number 15 and 16 we use to provide the supply to the backlight. LCD contrast. Display contrast depend on the power supply voltage and whether messages are displayed in 1 or 2 lines. For this reason, value voltage 0 and VDD is applied to the pin marks as VE. A trimmer potentiometer is usually used for this purpose. Some of the LCD display have built-in backlight, blue or green. When we use during operation, a current limiting resistor should be serially connected to one of the pin for the backlight power supply. As you can see in this figure, here is the LCD. From this potentiometer, you can adjust its contrast. This pin we will connect VE pin number 3 and we will set its at contrast. LCD commands. Here is the commands we will send to the LCD. This command is for clear the LCD. Here is the command for the cursor on. Here is the entry mode, set mode. Here you can display on off commands. Cursor display shift on off. Here is the function set mode. Here is the set CEG RAM address mode. Here is set DDRM address mode. Here is read with the flat mode. Write to the CGRM or DDRM and read from the CGRM or DDRM. L over D. If we will set this value 1, it will increment by 1. For 0, it will decrement by 1. You can see here is the L over D. For S, if we will set the value of the S is equal to 1, it will shift the display, and for 0, shift display off. For D is equal to 1, display on. D is equal to 0, display is off. U is equal to 1, cursor is on. U is equal to 0, cursor is off. You can see here is the U and here is the D. If P is equal to 1, cursor blink on. For 0, cursor blink off. If you want to blink your cursor, you want to set B is equal to 1. You can see here is the B. R over L, 1 is equal to a shift right and 0 is equal to a shift left. R over L, 1 is equal to shift right and 0 is equal to a shift left. DL is equal to a 1 8-bit interface and 0 is equal to a 4-bit interface. N is equal to a 1, display in 2 line, N is equal to a 0, display in 1 line. F is equal to 1, character format 5/10 or 0, format 5/7 dot. D over C, 1 is equal to display shift and 0 is equal to a cursor shift.